Good morning, and welcome to episode 259 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Chekin, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, January 14th, 2026. Tensions between the U.S. and Iran continue to escalate as Iranian officials vow speedy trials and executions for protesters in Tehran, as President Trump vows help is on the way for those same protesters. Congress may very well hold Bill and Hillary Clinton in contempt of Congress. They have once again failed to appear, honoring the subpoenas that were issued in regard to the Jeffrey Epstein files investigation. Chairman Powell's subpoena regarding his testimony with respect to the renovations of the Federal Reserve building have roiled the markets, and they've brought out critics who are arguing in favor of Fed independence. All of this has had a positive impact and upward motion in the prices of both gold and silver, and that is to be expected. Gold and silver continue to drive forward and upward from 2025 into 2026. Let's go ahead and take a look at those numbers over the past week. Gold is up 3.9%, trading at $4,631.80 an ounce. It was $4,458.80 last week. Silver, the big winner in the precious metals complex, it's up 13.9% over the past 7 days, trading at 90.59 versus where it was a week ago at 79.51. Platinum is up 2.6%, trading at $2,402 an ounce. It was $23.41 an ounce last week. And palladium's up 4.6%, trading at $1,857 an ounce. It was $1,775 an ounce last week. With silver vastly outperforming gold over the past week, you would expect it's going to take less ounces of silver to buy an ounce of gold. So your gold-silver ratio is in fact down this week to 51.13. It was 56.08 last week. And the dollar has flexed a little bit of its muscles. It's up to 99.09 on the legacy index against major trading partners. It was 98.56 last week. It is still weak below that magical 100 level. So none of this movement in gold and silver should surprise anyone, given the geopolitical tensions and the fiscal irresponsibility around the globe. Every dip in this market should be embraced. You should take it as an opportunity to buy well. The markets have quite a ways to go yet. There is no reason to believe that this is stopping anytime soon. We're going to talk about precious metals. We're going to talk about investments in general. We're going to talk about macro tonight as my co-host Adrian Day and I invite Peter Bookvar. He's the Chief Investment Officer for One Point BFG Wealth Partners. He is our guest on the Move, our very first one of the year, tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to go for about an hour and a half, and we'll take your live questions. And we want you to go ahead and join us to get a feel for what to expect in this year, 2026, as we go forward. As always, we'd like you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us, send us your comments and questions. We want you to go ahead and follow us on social media. Take our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts and our once monthly information line newsletter. You can sign up for all of that and register for tonight's webinar in the description paragraph below this video. But in the end, don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.